How to use Atome Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Atome Malaysia. First, tap on Buy on the listing and select Atome as your payment method. Then tap on Place Order and you will be prompted with a pop-up to proceed with your payment with Atome. You will be redirected to the Atome website or Atome app. Upon successful payment, you may return to the carousel and check the status on your order details page. If you exit the app without making payment on Atome, the order state will remain in pending. Next, tap on Complete Payment to access Atome. You have 60 minutes to complete payment before the order expires. If your payment was unsuccessful or rejected by Atome, you will receive an error message. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.